Shivangi Sarda from Motilal Oswal Financial Services joins us on the show. Hi Shivangi, good to have you on the show. What's your take? The markets have bounced. Do you think it's short-lived? And will you be looking to add short positions or buying some puts?
Very good morning, Nigel and Manglam. Thank you for having me. So we've seen that there has been some sort of a relief rally in today's trading sessions after six red candles that we've seen on the Nifty chart. Now, of course, some of the data points, India VIX had risen 15% last week, and the put call ratio had sunk to 0.6 levels. Now it's again jumping back to 0.8 zones. But then again, we've seen that there has been some amount of, unwinding on the call writers position, but the expiry perspective, there will be a lot of volatility expected as it's monthly expiry tomorrow for this index. But the key levels to watch out would be, 24,600 on the downside, and the upside we're looking at 24,950 as the hurdle for Nifty index. So likely to remain in this range, but overall there will be some sort of short bounces that one can capture in the index. Talking about the bank Nifty, we've seen this banking index has been relatively outperforming in terms that it did not fall as much as compared to the broader market. And we've seen that the indices have relatively held on to 54,250 marks. So this would be an important level as a support. And for the upside, we're looking at 55,000 as the next hurdle. And focus would be on the smaller banking names, which have been contributing to the strength in this index.
All right, we take that point. A lot of these cash stocks are surging in with a lot of volumes backing them as well. So pull up something like a coffee day. That stock's up around 4.5%. We've seen some traction in specialty restaurants as well, up 9%. And the volumes on that are nearly 6 times what we see on an average day for specialty restaurants. That's the one which is up for you at around 138, up 9%. And Shalimar Paints is the third one, which again is topping the volume list, has already done more than what it usually does in over the fortnight in just 1 hour of trade today, 10% higher on that one. Shivangi, individual stocks, if you could quickly name some of them for us.
So on my radar, first up is Canara Bank. That we've spoken about how a Bank Nifty has been outperforming, and Canara Bank has been one stock which has resiliently held on with higher bottom from the last 4 weeks, which clearly indicates that this is moving despite the market weakness. And we've seen a little amount of retracement, but a good support taken near 117 levels. So this one is getting ready for a good up move. Now, talking about the data points, we've seen that, the rollovers have also come in quite positive for this one. So expecting a good move here for the next targets of around 125 and a support of 117 levels. And the second pick on my radar is HAL. We've seen defense back has been in momentum from the last 3 to 4 weeks, and HAL has consolidated at the higher zones from the last 4 trading sessions and is now getting ready for a good up move. The volumes have been significantly high in the last 2 trading sessions, which indicates that buying is emerging at these levels. Also, there has been a cool off in the IVs along with unwinding of the call writers at the higher zones. So overall, looking quite positive data-wise as well. So now we're recommending a buy here with a target of around about 5,000 levels and a support of 4,700 levels.
Okay, all right. Thanks a lot for that, Shivangi. Well, on that note, though,